everyone, it's Julia, and I am back with another quick Thrifted Thursday project for you. I picked this, it's a lightweight corduroy jacket in a washed gray color. And then also this toile that I picked up at the same time, and I have this in my latest haul, and I'll link that down below for you. This toile is just gorgeous. It's the cream color background with the black, and it has this wonderful children graphics, children playing. It's just very, very sweet. I decided to put this in the back section and also put a little bit on the front. I'm keeping this very simple. And a couple of subscribers actually commented that this would make a cute embellishment on this jacket. And so I'm just taking your direction here, and I just wanted to complete this project. It's really quick, and like I said, I'm keeping it really simple. I cut that selvage off just because I just didn't like it. It has a hard feel to it. And this piece of toile is narrow. It was a remnant, and I picked it up again, like I said, at the thrift store. It's only 14 inches wide by about 3 yards long. And I cut that piece a little bit bigger, and I'm just turning it under to expose the seam. So just this back section will be covered. I find this is the easiest way to do this instead of cutting like a template or something. It's just to actually just lay the fabric on. I do want a really cute graphic right in the center. Now you see those children playing in this tree. So I wanted to highlight that and keep that in the center of this. I'm really pressing those edges down. I want a crisp fold right at where I folded that a real crisp fold there. You'll understand when I remove this. The next part is going to be to remove this. I'm just taking those pins out. And wanting to iron it one more time. And then I'll be doing the clipping. And I want to give myself about a 1/2 inch seam allowance here, or a 1/2 inch that's still folded under. Once that's complete, it's just getting my jacket back and putting this back into place. Now I'm going to be taking this to my sewing machine once I pin this in. And I'm going to be stitching all the way around this. And I use an applique stitch. I didn't show it here. I've already done that part of it. And you can also do a straight stitch all the way around this. But I wanted to fill it in with just a meander stitch. So I have my free motion foot on, and I'm just going around this design, just meander stitching. And it gives it a nice little quilted look to it. I do have my free motion foot on, so I'm doing all the traveling myself. And I have just an all-purpose thread on in a cream color. I do have a white bobbin in bobbin thread. The bobbin thread's a little bit lighter than an all-purpose thread. And you can see that white bobbin on the back. I thought about putting light gray for the bobbin, but I didn't want any of that gray to show on to the top, and so I just left the white on, and it looks fine. Again, wanting to measure the yoke, I'm going to do the same thing to both of these, the front yokes, and then that is all I'm going to do to this jacket. I thought I would decorate or do the collar instead of the yokes, maybe do the collar and the cuffs, but the fabric wasn't wide enough. I would have to piece the collar, and I didn't want to do that because I thought the graphic would get, just would be hard to match it, and would kind of get messed up. But doing the same, I do want a cute little design on this, so I've cut more fabric than I need, but I just want to make sure I get that little, it's just the cutest fabric. There's little animals and children playing and teeter-totters, and it's just really sweet. Again, doing the same thing, I'm just folding under and pinning into place. And then removing And I've got everything all done, really quick and easy. Absolutely love this. And I just wanted to take a moment here when I'm showing you the pictures just to wish everybody a happy Thanksgiving, all my American subscribers, and then all my worldwide subscribers. I just wanted to let you know how very thankful I am to just everybody in this channel. Everybody's just so helpful, and it's just been, I am so blessed. And I just want you to know that. And have a great weekend, everybody. I hope you have a chance to eat good food and spend it with family. Bye for now.